In a neighborhood of upright planets, there's one neighbor who decided to sleep through the lease. Meet Uranus. In this vast cosmic arena, it stands as a unique, sideways rebel. No. While Earth sits at a polite 23-degree tilt, Uranus is clocked out at 98 degrees. It doesn't spin, it rolls. It challenges our understanding of how planets form. No. According to research from Durham University, Uranus wasn't born this lazy. About 4 billion years ago, a protoplanet twice the size of Earth likely gave it a cosmic shove. This giant impact was so violent it didn't just tip the planet, it trapped its moons and rings too. No.
I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Because of this tilt, seasons on Uranus are intense. One pole faces the sun for 42 years straight, while the other freezes in a 4-decade night. If you lived there, you'd wait half a lifetime for a sunrise. It's the longest winter in the solar system. No. Beyond the planet itself, Uranus hosts 27 mysterious moons. Miranda, the innermost, has a scarred surface that looks like it was shattered and reassembled. Titania and Oberon, the largest, are icy worlds with their own geological secrets waiting to be uncovered. No. And then there are the rings. Uranus has 13 known rings, but they aren't flashy like Saturn's. They're dark, narrow, and vertical. They look like a celestial bullseye, a remnant of that ancient impact that changed everything. No. Even its magnetic field is a mess, tilted 59 degrees away from its shaft and offset from the center. It's unlike anything else in the solar system, confusing scientists and challenging our models of planetary interiors. It's a magnetic mystery that still haunts astronomers. No. For a long time, we thought Uranus was just a featureless blue ball. But new processing of Voyager images shows a dynamic, pale world with hidden storms. It reminds us that in space, there is no up or down, only physics and chaos. While only Voyager 2 has visited Uranus, scientists are eager to return. Future flagship missions are being proposed to send an orbiter and a probe into its atmosphere. These missions could finally answer why Uranus is tilted and reveal the secrets hidden beneath its icy clouds. The next decade could be the era of the ice giant. Uranus proves that being the odd one out makes you the most interesting. If you had to spend 42 years in total darkness, what's the one thing you'd bring to stay sane? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic curiosities.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.